Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, you will be watching operations on polynomials, such as here on this video, you'll be um, dealing with addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Well, for division, that would be actually explained in the next video. And when you see all these operations, they are actually similar to what you have studied in chapter 6, functions and graphs. And the division process, however, will involve a process known as long division, and that will be emphasized in details in the next video. So let's just go on with the process of addition and subtraction. And as I said earlier, subtracting or adding polynomials are similar to what you have already been doing in the previous chapters. Okay, now for question A. Okay, so look at question A. We have px plus qx. So what you need to do is you just need to group all the different, like for example, different x with different powers. So we have different x with different power, and you need to group them accordingly. So for example, if you have px plus qx, so this is px plus qx. So now I'm going to just focus on grouping 2x to the power of 4. I'm just going to group x to the power of 4 together. So since this is a addition process, that would be 2x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 4. So I'm done with that. So next I'm going to write down negative 5x cubed. Is there an x cube? Yes, there is x cube here. So plus x cubed. Next I have negative 4, and then I'm going to plus the rest of the terms here. So plus 3x squared plus 4x. And this is equal to, just going to simplify what I've got here. So it will be 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x cubed. I'm going to rearrange this expression in a nicer order. So I'm going to go straight to 3x squared. So plus 3x squared plus 4x minus 4, and that's the answer. Okay, next we move on to dealing with question 2, px minus qx. So px minus qx, let me just erase this part. Okay, px minus qx. So this is px, so I'm going to write down 2x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4. So next I'm having negative 5x cubed. Okay, negative 5x cubed, and I'm going to minus with this one, so minus x cubed. Next I have negative 4, but there is nothing here, there is no constant term on this side, so I'm just going to write down negative 4, and then I'm going to minus the remaining terms on this qx, so that will be minus 3x squared minus 4x. And so let us simplify this expression. This will be x to the power of 4. This will be negative 6x cubed. And I'm going to rearrange it in a proper order. So this will be negative 3x squared minus 4x minus 4. So that's the answer to question B. Right. Next, we move on to the multiplication process. Here we have px and qx, and the first question is to determine what is 4 times qx. Okay, So this is very straightforward. This is 4, and qx is just, I'm going to write down what qx is. It is just 2x cubed minus x squared plus 4, and this will be 8x cubed minus 4x squared plus 16. So this is the answer. So next we move on to question B, where you have px times qx. So I'm going to write down what px is. It is x squared minus x minus 1, and then qx is 2x cubed minus x squared plus 4. And what you need to do next is you need to multiply each term. So for example, this one, you're going to multiply with that, and then continue with this one and the final term. And similarly for this one, okay, you're going to multiply each term, and of course the last one is this term, so this term. Okay, so you're going to multiply with each possible term that you have here. So now let's see what we've got. So the answer will be, so x squared, and this one, this will be 2x to the power 5, x squared minus x to the power 4, next x squared and 4 plus 4x squared. Next, negative x, 2x cubed, it will be negative 2x to the power 4, negative x squared, positive x cubed, negative x, positive 4, negative 4x. And then we have negative 1, 2x cubed, negative 2x cubed, negative 1, negative x squared, positive x squared, negative 1, negative 4, negative 1 and 4 will be negative 4. And next we've got to simplify the expression here. I have 2x to the power of 5, so this is done. Next, the second highest degree is x to the power of 4, so this is x to the power of 4, this is also x to the power of 4, and that's all. So negative 1, negative 2 will be negative 3, x to the power of 4, so this is done, this is done. Next x cubed, so we have here x cubed and x cubed, so positive 1, negative 2 will be negative 1, so negative x cubed, so this is done, this is done. So next we have 4x squared and x squared, so that will be 5x squared, so done. And finally we are left with negative 4x and negative 4, so we're just going to write down negative 4x and negative 4. So the answer is 2x to the power 5, negative 3x to the power 4, negative x cubed, 5x squared, negative 4x, and negative 4. Alright. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.